Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a space in the ClickUp mobile app. Whether you're organizing tasks for a team or managing personal projects, setting up a space is the first step to streamline your workflow. First, open the ClickUp app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the Create button located at the bottom center. Then, select Space to organize your work by teams or departments. After that, enter a name for your space. Following this, choose the privacy setting for your space, either public or private. Then, tap on Statuses and select the statuses that best fit your workflow from the provided list. Next, tap on Color to choose a color that represents your space. Finally, tap the Create button at the top right corner to finalize the creation of your space. By following these steps, you've successfully created a space in the ClickUp mobile app. This will help you organize and manage your tasks more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.